LIVEK, a new horizon to broadcast technology. Subscribe our channel LIVEK Talk. Be ready, light, camera, action.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today once again I have came with a new device. The company name is Vertex. This device I have seen for the first time. I got this device in my hand, so want to explore it in front of you. This is basically made from Vertex company. It's an India made, and there are so many products of this Vertex company, but this is basically it's a decoder device for live streaming. So let's unpack. Yeah, this is the power adapter and this is the device. Yes, so this is the device. You can see, I think you can see, it's already written company name Vertex. And what is this? It's a HD video decoder, HDI, VGA, HDMI, H.265 264. This is the front panel. There are 5 LEDs, but first LED for power, second LED for LAN, third LED for video, and fourth LED for Wi-Fi. But for what is fifth LED, I don't know. Anyway, let's look into the back side, which is most important. Yes, you can see clearly this is also support composite video signal, composite video, HDI video, and VGA, HDMI. Oh, there are lots of outputs are there. Since it is a decoder, so we can get 4 types of output from this device. First one is composite, second one is HDI, it means digital, third one VGA, fourth one HDMI, and after that there is LAN port and DC input 12 volt. This is a very good device, I think, because there are so many types of outputs are there. So I don't know how to configure it and what is its default IP address. Actually, there should be a manual inside the box, but anyway it's missing. I don't know what is the IP address. I have tried to find out the IP address of this decoder, Vertex decoder, in the help by the help of Google, but I didn't find it. Yes, I only find it Vertex encoder. Vertex encoder IP address in Google, and that was 192.168.1.168. But this one is decoder, so I think decoder IP address will be different. But in internet, I didn't find anything about the Vertex HD video decoder. Find something little bit manuals for encoder, Vertex encoder, but didn't find anything regarding related to video decoder. And in the encoder manual I found there are lots of features are written. It supports 1080p, 50p, 60p resolutions, blah 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 blah, etc. So many things are written, but not found any single information regarding Vertex HD video decoder. So I unable to find out its IP address. If I didn't get the IP address, then how can I configure it? That was the question. So let's try to find out what is the IP address of this decoder.
LIVEK, a new horizon to broadcast technology. Subscribe our channel LIVEK Talk. Be ready, light, camera, action.
So to discover the IP address, I have to power it on first. So for that, I have a power board. Yes, it's now getting power on. Let's look into the front panel. No LED is glowing. I think it takes some time. Yes, it takes time to get power on. I think it gets now initializing. I think it is ready. So how many LEDs are glows? There are two LEDs are glows. First one for power and last one I don't know, nothing written under this LED. To find out the IP address, I have to run a IP scanner. So first of all I have to connect with a LAN with my PC. Okay, this one is the LAN. Yes, just plugged LAN port. Let's check into the front panel again. Yes, the second LED is also glows. That means it's a LAN. LAN gets connected. If I give video input, then I think the third LED will also glow. But what indicates the last LED, I don't know, because nothing is written under below this LED. Okay, let's have a look to the IP scanner. This is my PC. So friends, I have already told you that I don't know the IP address of this HD video decoder or Vertex company. To find out the IP address, I'm getting take help of IP scanner. IP scanner is a free software you can easily download from the internet. Yes, I have already downloaded it and installed it already. So advanced IP scanner, just open this IP scanner. IP scanner is a software by which you can easily find out the IP address of any device. So let's start scan. It's very simple. It's just working on it and try to find out the IP addresses connected with this PC using this advanced IP scanner software. You can see one IP address I found, 192.168.1.30. This one is my laptop IP address. Second one is 192.1.169. I think it will be the IP address of this HD video decoder of Vertex company. Yeah, lots of IP addresses are there now. First one is 192.160.1. It's my TP-Link router IP address. Second was I don't know. Third one is I also don't know. Fourth one is I also don't know. But fifth one, I think it must be the IP address of the HD video decoder of Vertex company, because there is a similarity between the encoder IP with the encoder IP address. Because I have already told you, I found in internet the HD video encoder IP address in internet. It is in manual written 192.168.1.168, but here I found the 169. So it must be the IP address of this HD video decoder. Let's check it. I'm opening my browser, Mozilla. Yeah, you can see I previously tried to connect 1.6 one was, but it was the encoder IP address. But this is not the encoder, this is decoder. And here we found, with the help of IP scanner, the new IP that was 169. Let's check it. I think it will work. Yes, got it. You can easily see that there is a pop-up came up. It wants username password. I also don't know the username and password. Let's check it with Vertex Vertex. No. Then blank. Keep it blank. Press enter. No. Then give the common username admin. Password also admin. I don't know it will work or not. Let's check. Yes, it works. It works, friend. It works. You can see the interface of this HD video decoder opened in my PC. First page comes with system status, device name, runtime, CPU usage, memory usage, net status, HDMI format, channel number, channel 1. Yes, this one the IP address written, which I found by using the IP scanner. Next, let's say that next menu, address setting. Yes, it means you can give your own IP address. By default IP address is 169, but you can give your own IP address. Next, advanced setting. In advanced setting there are so much menu. Channel layout, sorry, I don't know what is this. Channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, full screen, word, water screen, picture top, picture left. I don't know what is it. Actually this is decoder, but I think there are so many facilities is also including with this decoder, so you can easily manipulate your video. Next is crop setting. Last one is OSD settings. Oh, nice. It means on screen display, and you can add video information such as naming from here. Last one is system setting. In system setting there are so many menus. First one is network setting. Here DSCP disable, IP address. Here I am saying you can change the IP address as per your requirement. Port number 8086. Password, yeah, you can change your password here. System output or HD output, you can change the format of HD output. HDMI color, you can check, there are so many changes. Composite output, parallel intensity, nice features. Scaling, if I do enable, I don't know what happened. Last option, it is not seen actually. Default output, display no signal, okay. If video signal is not present then you can see no signal will be written on the screen. No display IP, no signal opening this one switcher. So basically this one is the interface of the HD video decoder of Vertex company, which is totally India made company. And after seeing yes, it is true that there is no such I didn't find any manual inside the box. I just open in front of you. Maybe it is missing, but there should be a manual and written everything. If not need to be written everything, only IP address is enough. If you get the IP address, you can easily connect it. So I couldn't find the IP address anywhere in Google internet also, but I found the encoder IP address. It was 192.168.1.168, and by the help of IP scanner I also get the IP address of HD video decoder also, and it is very similar to encoders. The last digit was 168 for encoder and 169 is for decoder. So finally connected in front of you, you can see it, and the username password was what say admin. Yeah, you can also change as per your requirement. We have already shown you, and there are so many settings, output settings, so you can change your IP address, everything everything is there. Nice interface. I think it will work. So this was my brief description. This was my short, this one is my short description about this HD video decoder of Vertex company, totally India made company. I think you get little bit idea, little bit knowledge about this device. Please support me and comment, subscribe our channel, and like, share, so I can get motivated by making a lot of more video like that. Everyone get benefited.
Hey, LIVEK is back again with the YouTube channel LIVEK Talk. It's a new horizon to broadcast technology. Here we will interview and discuss about various audio and video equipment, operations and troubleshooting, AR, VR, virtual chroma. Try to find a fact, technology behind the technology. Also get facts from online graphics as well as offline graphics, technology to transmission, TV stations to earth stations. Find out the fact of automations and robotics. LIVEK, a new horizon to broadcast technology. subscribe our channel LIVEK Talk. Be ready, light, camera, action. Friends, one thing I'd like to say that I am showing you a decoder from Vertex in this video. But now I am showing you the same decoder, same interface, same device from some other make. You can see the product. The brand name is ICV. Not only that, this is also same product from some another brand called MS Livebox. Not only this, I have found same device in Amazon also from another more brand like Uray. So friends, it doesn't make any sense from which brand this product is. It is working good or bad. This is our point of concentrations. Yes, I checked the output of this product. It was absolutely okay.
And one thing more I want to share you that the device getting running about 10 to 15 minutes, it becomes so much hot. I don't know it's normal or abnormal, but it's getting very hot. Yeah, really very hot. Okay, that's all for today. I think you will get little benefit from this video, and if you get any benefit the video, please comment in the video.
So please subscribe our channel LIVEK Talk to get more such videos. LIVEK, a new horizon to broadcast technology. Subscribe our channel LIVEK Talk. Be ready, light,